The Japanese began using technical analysis to trade rice in the 17th century. While this early version of technical analysis was different from the US version initiated by Charles Dow around 1900, many of the guiding principles were very similar. The principle number one is that the what price action is more important than the why news, earnings, and so on. The principle number two is that all known information is reflected in the price. The principle number three is that buyers and sellers move markets based on expectations and emotions, fear and greed. The principle number four is that markets fluctuate. The principle number five is that the actual price may not reflect the underlying value. According to Steve Nissen, candlestick charting first appeared sometime after 1850. Much of the credit for candlestick development and charting goes to a legendary rice trader named Homa from the town of Sakata. It is likely that his original ideas were modified and refined over many years of trading, eventually resulting in the system of candlestick charting that we use today.